Two circles of radius 10 inches intersect, so their points of intersection and their centers each form a 120-degree angle. What is the perimeter of the shaded region? Express your answer as a simplified fraction in terms of pi. So now it seems to me that we can apply the formula for the length of an arc in this problem. But before we even start doing anything, let us do some analyzing as to what we know. All right, so we're being asked, what is the perimeter? Well, the perimeter is just the distance around a given shape or a given figure. So we're being asked to find what is the distance that covers this shaded region. Now, it seems to me that this is two arcs intersecting each other, enclosing the shaded region. And since these two arcs intercept the same measure of central angle, they must be congruent. So if we can find one of them, just multiply that measure by 2, and we have found the other, and we have found the perimeter for the shaded region. So let's say we find this, which is equal to the other one. Let's see. Let's first lay out what we are given, the information we're given. So you have theta is equal to 120. The radius is equal to 10 inches. So 120 degrees, 10 inches. And we are asked to find, well, the perimeter. All right, so now let's apply our formula. So first, let's write down our formula. The formula for finding the length of an arc intercepted by a given central angle is S is equal to theta over 180 times pi times r. We don't have to worry about pi. We can leave our answer in terms of pi, provided that it is in simplified format. So now we can substitute the values that we know. So you have S is equal to, well, our theta is 120 over 180 times pi times r is 10. So again, let's do some cancellation here. We know that 120 is divisible by 60. All right, and 180 is also divisible by 60. So if we divide, oops, what happened here? What's happening? Look. Okay, if we divide 120 by 60, we're gonna get 2. And if we divide 180 by 60, we're gonna get 3. So now we have a more simplified fraction here. So you can have S is equal to 2 times 10 is 20 over 3 pi. Well, another way of writing this is you can also write this as 20 pi over 3. Okay, it doesn't make it more correct. It only does make it look different. All right, but that's only one side. Okay, there's only one side of the arc. Now we need to find the other side, which is actually equal to the same amount of arc length. So what we're gonna do is just multiply that by 2. This is gonna be the total, the perimeter that we're looking for. The perimeter. Okay, the perimeter now is equal to twice of 20 pi over 3, which gives us, well, 2 times 20 is 40. 40 pi over 3, and we're looking at inches. And since 40 and 3 are mutually prime, okay, we can leave it as as that 40 pi. So the perimeter the problem is asking us to find is 40 pi over 3. Well, that's easy. Remember, not every problem is quite straightforward. Problems like this have actually asked us to apply things that we know. All right.